Lambros, SteveCurrington.com here if you're new to the channel. I'm Lambro Steve, that's Evil Mercy in the background. Yeah, we're jumping this Lambo again, this Mercy. He says it has a new battery, but... James, why does your car keep dying?
I don't know, I'm suspecting these teenagers are coming in here at night. And having some fun with cars. I can't prove it, but I have noticed like the seat's way forward, which is really weird. And the stereo's on. Like,
while you were out there, Darren was like, you know, if this thing's going bye-bye, he at least should let me drive it.
Oh, that's funny. You should be a comedian, Darren.
Darren's hilarious.
You
know what I told him? I was like, hey, Darren, you know what you should do? Buy your own Lambo. And you drive it all you want. Get a job.
Get a J-O-B.
The word for today is job. J-O-B. So, after we jumped the Lambo with the Toyota this time, which, by the way, look at that. That looks good. After we jump it, we're going to jump into the pool. So,
I'm going to wash this thing.
We're going to wash the Lamborghini with the pool in a moment. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros at SteveCurrington.com. That's James right there. You know him as Evil Mercy. And we got this thing going. We whip it up and down the streets a little bit. Got the engine all warm. But you know what? It's like dirty, Jimmy.
Filthy dirty.
Filthy dirty. So we got to figure out a solution for that.
I got the solution. You know the best way to wash a Lamborghini?
You tell me.
I'll tell you. I'll show you.
What? Oh my God! Straight in the pool. Hey, go take that sprayer over there and really wash this thing now.
You can see underneath it. Give me a rag.
It's dirty. It's dirty.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Look at that.
There, grab me a towel.
He's washing it. Washing it, boys.
Hey, this ain't doing it though. I got a better idea. Watch this.
You better close the door. I don't know what he's up to, but that towel that's on there about to get wet, I bet. Here he goes. Ah, look at this. It splashed all of that in the car. The freaking... Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. I had no idea he was going to jump off the edge. Oh, they're all jumping off. Oh, my God. Everybody's jumping. That's great.
I had how you wash the Lamborghini.
I had no idea you were jumping off of there. Hey Lambros, we're back. Now we're going to demonstrate the best way to wash your Lamborghini Murcielago. Here it is. Lambros, engage! Oh yeah! Yeah! Wash it off real good. Oh yeah. Get them wheels. Oh yeah. Clean it up. We ain't got all day. We gotta take this to the show. I think for my next trick, I'm gonna take that sprayer over there and just douse it.
That's how you wash the Lamborghini.
That's right. I think I'm gonna go over here and douse it. There you go. Try not to get my camera wet, but look at this thing. Oh shoot. Yeah. Okay, I don't want to get my camera wet. All right, here you go. We're going to spray it down with the sprayer now. Yeah! Lambo back. Clean it up, boys. All right, we got to get back to washing our Lambos. The green machine's next. We'll be rolling it in here, but you won't see that. But you'll see James in the next video. We got a surprise coming. This baby right here is going bye-bye, and a new car is coming. So stick around and watch Lambros. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay.